Liquid. One of the three principal states of matter, intermediate between a gas and a solid. A liquid has neither the orderliness of a solid nor the randomness of a gas. A liquid is made up of tiny vibrating particles of matter, such as atoms, held together by intermolecular bonds. Water is, by far, the most common liquid on Earth. Like a gas, a liquid is able to flow and take the shape of a container. Most liquids resist compression, although others can be compressed. Unlike a gas, a liquid does not disperse to fill every space of a container, and maintains a fairly constant density. Liquids have the ability to flow under the action of very small shear stresses. Liquids in contact with their own vapor or air have a surface tension that causes the interface to assume the configuration of minimum area, that is, spherical. Surfaces between liquids and solids have interfacial tensions that determine whether the liquid will wet the other material. Liquid particles are bound firmly but not rigidly. They are able to move around one another freely, resulting in a limited degree of particle mobility. As the temperature increases, the increased vibrations of the molecules causes distances between the molecules to increase. When a liquid reaches its boiling point, the cohesive forces that bind the molecules closely together break, and the liquid changes to its gaseous state unless superheating occurs. If the temperature is decreased, the distances between the molecules become smaller. When the liquid reaches its freezing point, the molecules will usually lock into a very specific order, called crystallizing, and the bonds between them become more rigid, changing the liquid into its solid state unless supercooling occurs. With the exception of liquid metals, molten salts, and solutions of salts, the electrical conductivities of liquids are small. Liquids have a variety of uses, as lubricants, solvents, and coolants. In hydraulic systems, liquid is used to transmit power,